So today I'm going to be installing a screen protector on my Maverick, and the very first thing I want to do is I just want to clean it off a little bit. I know there's going to be some cleaning stuff in there, but I just want to try to get as many fingerprints and whatnot off that I can before I even get to that step, just because I have been using this for a while. Okay, we got microfiber, we got a wiping paper, we've got dust removal stickers. All right, so it says the first thing is to make sure that this is the same as the actual screen. So we're just going to put it up and compare. That does look pretty good. It's a little bit smaller, but that's perfectly fine. It says we're going to use the wet wipe first, and we just want to wipe off any residue that might be on there. And I'm really trying to make sure I get the corners because that's usually where the dust tries to concentrate. Then it says to use the microfiber cloth, so same thing. And the main thing here is I just want to make sure I'm not putting new fingerprints on it, so try to avoid touching it with your fingers. The next thing is the dust removal stickers. So this is just a sticker. You can kind of fold it like that and just go across the screen so that if anything fell on there or fell off the rag, anything like that, this will pick it up. Okay, so the back of the screen has like a protector on it, so it's okay if you touch that with your fingers. I'm going to put it with the peeling tab on the bottom right, and then I'm going to use these little guys. I'm going to set it on there. And the idea here is we want this thing to line up so it's going to be exactly where we want it when we set it down. All right, just double check, make sure that we got everything lined up. So that looks pretty good to me. It's not just a matter of peeling off the back. Oh, looks like it came off. It's okay. Got this. There we go. We have got our screen protector. Cool. Looks good too. Don't see any bubbles. Everything is a-okay. So I'm happy with that. And we can see that that does have pretty good coverage.